Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Philips Domestic Appliances HD7865/60. It's a Senseo Quadrante coffee pot machine. Stainless steel with coffee boost technology. 1.45 watts. 1.2 liters, 19 to 27 to 29 centimeter in black. Thanks to the Senseo coffee booster technology, we can get the best out of our pot for a fuller, more intensive taste. The fine Senseo coffee machine and the fine Senseo coffee selection, and of course the Senseo brewing system comes and gives us a delicious crema with every coffee. We can prepare 1 or 2 cups of coffee at the same time in less than a minute. Brewing time of a cup are 30 seconds. The extra large water tank has a volume of 1.2 liters, which corresponds to 8 cups. Height adjustable drip tray allows the different cups to be used. Discover a full and an intense coffee aroma. The Senseo Quadrante coffee pot machine turns every coffee moment into something special. Delicious coffee, now with an even more intense taste, thanks to the Senseo coffee booster technology. And the Senseo coffee boost gets the most out of our pot. The 45 aroma nozzles ensure a fine mass distribution of the water over the entire pot. In this way, the full flavor is extracted from every gram of coffee. This unique system combines ease of use with modern design. The Senseo offers us a wide range of coffee blends and flavors. The perfect crema completes our coffee enjoyment. And it's really easy. You can choose the right cup, of course. You can choose 1 cup or 2 cups of coffee at the same time. But take care. You have to use different types of tamper baskets, I think. It is a 1 cup or a 2 cup carrier there. But this is included in the Senseo Philips automatic coffee boost technology device here. And then you have to insert the pot into the machine and of course on top of the basket. And then you can choose 1 or 2 cups, and the machine will serve your beverage after approximately 30 seconds. The Senseo Coffee Boost technology offers an even better taste experience for us. Thanks to the 45 aroma nozzles, a fine mass distribution of water comes to the entire pot is ensured. And this is the base behind it. This makes a good flavor, because it is not a machine which will give you fresh coffee out of beans, which are grinded directly in the machine. No, it's a pot system. That means in the pot there is the coffee, and the coffee is pre-ground. And you can not only make coffee crema with it, you can make cappuccino, you can make tea, you can make so many different types of beverage, of hot beverage in this machine here. And the Senseo Quadrante is characteristic by an extra large water tank. It has a volume of 1.2 liters. This is up to 11 cups. The lateral positions makes it particularly easy to fill the water tank too. And then, after we served our coffee, we remove the pot and throw away. Job's done. That's convenient and fast coffee making. Fuller, richer coffee with the Senseo Quadrante. Coffee boost technology, always Senseo. The fine Senseo coffee selection and the unique Senseo brewing system guarantees a delicious crema with every coffee. Proof of the best taste and first-class quality. we enjoy a cup or two for a delicious Senseo coffee in less than a minute with the Senseo coffee maker. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon!